Natural hair in its state is very beautiful. As you can see, my hair is dark, luscious, full, thick. Before you start your natural hair journey, I have a lot of things to tell you, and ensure you stay to the end of the video, because that points that you would actually need might be at the end of the video. So in this video, we'll be featuring this product. This is the Moroccan argan oil, and it is a treatment oil suitable for all hair type and texture. It contains pure organic Moroccan argan oil. So yeah, we'll be featuring this in our video today. So moving on, before you start your natural hair journey, be prepared for the whole shenanigans that comes with it. You need to be prepared to wash your hair as often as possible. You need to prepare yourself for the stress that comes with combing your hair, detangling your hair, whatever you guys call it. You need to prepare yourself to do low manipulative hairstyle in order for you to retain length, right? And if you like yourself, you refrain from doing tight hairstyles, because see these edges, the way you have it is the same way you can lose it. So there are just a lot intertwined before you can actually successfully have a long, healthy, bouncy natural hair. So natural hair in its state is very beautiful. As you can see, my hair is dark, luscious, full, thick, whatever you call it. It is well presentable and all. There are things you need to do for you to achieve this kind of result, and it all boils down to how you take care of your hair. Now, this is the oldest part of your hair. This is the tip of your hair, right? And this is actually like the newest part of your hair. As we all know, hair growth starts from our scalp. So this being the oldest part of our hair, meaning it is very fragile. Once you just take scissors now and you snip this off, it is gone, right? If you are not trimming off your edges too, it can still affect a whole lot on your hair shafts, right? So moving on, since this is the oldest part of our hair, we need to take care of it as much as possible, because if you keep breaking off these ends like this, let's say this time around you break off this inch, right? This particular one, you break it off this time. Like let's say when you're taking down your protective style, you break this off. When next you're taking down your protective style again, you break something like this off. When next you break something like this off. Before you know this is happening, this is what you'll be left with. Let me try and fold this in so we will see. This is what you'll be left with. That is why most of the time people say, oh, their hair is not growing. And in the real sense, it's actually growing. But because they are breaking off the length at the tip of their hair, it seems like their hair is not actually growing. So for you to maintain healthy, long, natural hair, you need to protect your ends. And by protecting your ends, meaning you have to do low manipulative hairstyles that will not allow you to manipulate your ends to make you be detangling your hair every time. And examples include your mini braids, your mini twist, your cornrows, your African thread, all these styles that will not cause tension on your scalp or on your hair strands. And also refrain from using heat. I know so many people want to straighten out their hair so that they can see how long and lengthy their hair is, but when you're not using like the right mechanism, when you are using it frequently, you would end up having heat damage. I'm not saying you should not use heat at all, but limit. When they say limit, meaning you should not use it in excess, right? So when you start off your natural hair journey, have it at the back of your mind that excess heat on your hair can damage it. So you don't want to be found wanting. Do you get? You can as well, if you want to straighten out your hair, you can use African thread. I'll try and insert a picture of the African thread. You can just use it, wrap it around your hair, leave it for like a week or two. Once you loosen it, it would have straightened out to a large extent. So moving on, if you want to start your natural hair journey, try and use hair growth oil. I discovered this very late, and I won't say I regret it, but I wish I knew sooner. That is your rosemary oil, your cloves oil, and the rest. Any form of oil that will promote hair growth, you can incorporate it in your routine as soon as possible. For one, I recommend rosemary oil day in, day out. I even have like a tutorial you can easily just watch. The link is in the description box, and I'll try and insert a card somewhere around here. But if not, you can check the link in the description box. Watch it so that you can know how I actually make the rosemary oil. So moving on from that, try as much as possible to give yourself good scalp massages. I talk about this over and over again. The reason why scalp massages are actually good is that I, for one, I notice like tremendous growth when I incorporated it into my routine. So if you want to start off your natural hair journey, start by giving yourself good scalp massages over time. And to increase blood circulation, which will promote healthy hair growth. And don't do every trending hairstyles. I know that, okay, these trending hairstyles are actually eye-catching. Like when you see them, you're like, oh, I want to do this. But do you know that that particular hairstyle might be the start of your downfall before you even rise up? Do you get? So hairstyles that will cause tension to your edges, that will make the hairstylist pull your edges like this, refrain from it. Hairstyles that will make you have serious or severe headache, refrain from it. I know beauty is pain, but why would you subject yourself to pain to look beautiful? Like, I don't get it. But either way, moving on. Be prepared. Your wash days will get longer when your hair grows longer. Once you are still on your afro or this kind of length, it's easier to wash your scalp and everything. But once your hair is this long, your wash day routine will take a longer time. So just be prepared. I'm just telling you ahead of time. So, but with all this, natural hair is very beautiful, as you can see. My hair is long. I've had this hair for like 4 years and some months now. I see it's actually flourishing. It's getting thicker and thicker as time goes on. And yeah, I'm just so happy that I'm able to achieve this. So like I said, we'll be featuring this oil in our video. So this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Don't mind this nylon. It does not come with this nylon. I actually just put it there because I was traveling, so I don't want it to spill. But nonetheless, let's remove this. So this is how it actually comes, like this, right? So yeah, I wish I had like a dropper so that I can just drag it out and apply it on my scalp. But nonetheless, let's just pour a bit. Push. So this is how it looks like. Can you guys see it? Yeah. So that's just it. Gonna apply it on your hair strands, make it more stronger, more lush. And let's put again. Oh, that is actually a lot. This one is actually a lot. It's actually a lot. But yeah, it has like this slimy consistency. So apply directly on your scalp. On your scalp. Don't forget your edges. Just like the way the oil feels. I like it, I like it, I like it. I like what I'm seeing. Then the back of your head, don't forget. Yeah. So yeah, look at, can you see the shine? Can you see the shine already? So this is really, really luscious. This is really good. I'm liking it. Can you see how my natural hair is? It's so like, it is so fine, it's so lush, it's so everything. Can you see? Can you see it? It's so beautiful. So yeah, I hope this video helped you, and try and send it to someone that wants to transition to natural hair. Natural hair is actually beautiful to withhold. You can do like various amazing styles. So yeah, I'll see you in my next. I remain Joy, aka your favorite hair coach. For you to learn more tips like this, click the link in the description box for my hair growth ebook, where I shared all my secrets. All my secrets is in the ebook. Click the link in the description box. I'll see you in my next. Bye guys.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.